see dismembering. Fucked up memories, I'm living proof there is a hell. Smoked up, toked up, there's silence here as I dispel words of malevolence to make you feel like cast a spell. Sinking deep through the flesh like bloated bodies in the well that I've lusted for. The coin I get on wishing like the poor who beg for a dish, who lick the bone dry. You know I'd rather die without the blood that I've hunted for. These villainous days got me portraying the thing you hate even more. I say these pretty little eyes are just like flies that hang above me. It's a genocide from my Spanish side. Dig me all the gold that you're gonna die and make it move now. Rev Rabz has kicked his habit only to find his Bible. Rabz has come equipped with a gun to shoot off the legs of his rival. Emergence of the soul out of the ground, a black hole. Avoid the story that's told is a catacomb of broken dreams where things ain't quite as they seem. Like La Llorona, you scream, then you lay there and you secretly crave things like serenity and peace. But now you're stuck in the cycle of what you created. It's tragic, the magic is flawed, there's nowhere to run. So dig the bones of an ancient cause. The higher you go, then you're bound to fall. Forget the protocol. The more that I see, the less that I know. Kid no Gestapo in the world, put a halt to my flows. A young Latino, light-skinned and mestizo. Garra tu pisto y hierba, cigarritos. Estados Unidos, violadores, asesinos. Mi alma duele por el sufre de mi gente. Quita el mente de odio en el mundo. Y ya por luego cambia positivo los niños. Sistema político, traficantes sin filtro, traineras enfermos, toda la gente de México. And that's how Rev Rabz does it. That's how Rev Rabz has kicked his habit only to find his Bible. Rabz has come equipped with a gun to shoot off the legs of his rival. And I say,
give it up for Rev. Don't?
never cold when it's raining.
Stanley.
You consider me a threat after the fact, after I mastered the craft. Mac and cheese, skip the greed, I wish Kip was free. Guess Stanley's gotta leave the gifts under the Christmas tree. Not just my spit, I helped produce this beat. Hello 2015, it's nice to meet. The name Stanley, the sound of perception, I tones do speak. If no one opens doors, I'll break them down and taste the canvas seat. Or I could pop a squash shit and knock and leave. I'm not the stylie that they feed. Chillin' in this hoodie, bright green, but I'm probably what you need. Y'all just looking for the nipple to feed. So many E's, you think I was OD'd on ecstasy, but that's not for me. My second verse, I'll probably change up the scheme, like I'm moving on to bigger and better things. Why do they say that adults can't follow their dreams? What about Martin's Food for Peace? And Tarantino went from video archives to the silver screen. It's never cold when it's raining, but it's freezing when it's not.
It's never cold when it's raining.
Never cold when it's raining,
But it's freezing when it's not.
when it's not.
It's never cold when it's raining.
But it's fucking freezing when it's not.
It's never cold when it's raining.
I give a fuck if complex vibes or if double XL's on my side. I'm stoned, thinking I have to find my own place to rest. Empress, solo cholo, pachuco, somos pocos, pero locos, yuzu. El I'm fucked up. America don't take so kind to those, no. It's us, you and them, anybody who offends. Outsiders living in, sounds like I got a bone to pick with those in power. But I'm not as activist and activist. Slow down, leaning like I was sipping activist. No, I'm aware of how twisted the system that taxes is, and I stray from law-abiding citizens.
No, sis, just open my eyes, I'm reaching my hands toward the sky, nothing is there, I cannot bear to stare at blank, empty space. I'm burning bridges to most of the abyss, now I'm blessed, feeling buzzed as I sit and drink this fucking piss of Trayo. Marxist new generation, death of redundant ideals, making it real, breaking the seal, breaking the set, placing a bet, poster beset, and you know like Alex Jones, everything covered now will soon be clearly shown, rolling, blown alone, but they still give it a shot, cause it's never cold when it's raining, but it's fucking freezing when it's not. Two-Mex. I'm Sound of Perception. I got some stuff on YouTube and SoundCloud. This is my last song. Thank you. You know it's hard sometimes, breaking through the mental obstacles, the constant put downs, anxieties, the problems I go through, never knowing if I'll ever break the cycle. Thoughts are in the midst of a revolutionary cyclone, all alone, manic, and like the aftermath, full of hope, forgotten by the system, abandoned, forsaken, what once was sacred, now evolves to no ordinary vision, cause deep down in my heart, I know I can make it, to the silence I'm forced to, into something creative, maybe I'll fake it, or could I possibly save it, maybe my shell won't experience the glory, but my spirit will take it, so now you see, the music's all I got, photosynthetic, like a flower in a pot, trapped by the limitations of the police state has fought, as we yell 187, I'm the motherfucking cop, say this like any well-nourished plant, you stay lit with the help of the light, you see its beauty very soon, even through manure it's always ready to bloom, I say in each of us their lives and in a tune, like one of the classics of the dark side of the moon, the sounds that deliver us from evil are the grounding root, that break the binding room, and Buddha man says it best, I'm doing mine, with or without you, Rev Rabz repping like a shadow imprint on the wall, cancerous I grow like the hydrogen mushroom, atomic whirlpools, children of the sun, inner and outer deterioration, fatal and unsuspecting dreams run amok, now you see you praying God again, you soulless fucks, selling out humanity for worthless fucking bucks, but in the end, it is you who will be judged by heathens and demons who hunger and meat feeding, boundary crossing, interdimensional beings, illusions so surreal we're here for fear of growth, as we gather around your casket and bask in your screams, till you can't break binds with the fallen angels, no attempts and escapes from the legendary vandal I handle, any systematic problem I face, cause the only thing that stops me are the choices I make. Everything looks bigger than what you touched. At a place, no vegetation, but there's still a Starbucks. Corporate franchises, deep space exploration. Bruce Jenner, transgender, attention seeker. Sociopath, neurolinguistic program. Dancing the tunes written by men in straight jackets. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. But if life's a dream and I've awakened, then what is happening? You can't break binds with the fallen angel. No attempts and escapes for a legendary vandal I handle. Any systematic problem I face, cause the only thing that stops me are the choices I make. Like Mozart's Requiem, they call me amongst the blessing. You keep going mentality while your ceiling's blackening. Sanitary, yeah, my feeling closing in on me. I hear static, tunnel vision, that's the amounts of dopamine. When the wicked are consigned to flames of woe, those unassigned to the madness will now make it known. From the hood to the body, oh that it's that real, it's that real, it's that real, and it'll make you kill. The life force settling from the unknown, the shrouded holy grail, bloodline taken from the throne. It's everywhere, it's all around, but every day the youth getting dumbed down. You can hurt me now. Who gives a fuck about your statistics? Who gives a fuck about the Google generation? Who gives a fuck about redemption or damnation? Who gives a fuck if that real and see that you can't break lines with a fallen angel? No attempts and escapes from the legendary vandal I handle. Any systematic problem Thank you guys. Good night.